Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. As we get started here, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. I wanted to let you know this will be the last one of the year. We will not be doing one on Friday tomorrow. It's just too light of a trading volume day with the holidays coming up. I don't want to drive anything into particular trade setup, so we're just going to take tomorrow off, and we'll pick it back up on January 3rd as the new year comes in. We are closed down next week as a company. We'll be open for major issues, problems, but other than that, we are our staff is off and going to enjoy it with their families. But as you get going here today, keep in mind that all of these social platforms, folks, you can find great content on day in and day out. Pay particular attention to tradinglikeaboss.com, where we've got the registration for the Market Mornings, which is this training right here. All we do on that page is we're going to go ahead and you're going to put in your name and your email address. Check the box if you want an SMS. We've almost got that finished up on it. And we will notify you that says, okay, the video is up. It's going to be housed on a singular page, same page every day. It's going to have the date on top so you'll know it's the right page you're on, for the right date that you're on. And we're going to go ahead and just send you there instead of you looking for it on YouTube or Facebook, hiding it from you where you don't see it today, and so forth. I hear that almost every single day. All right, so make sure you check that out. Let's take a look at economic reports. So this is the rest of the week. Right, here we are Thursday. Unemployment reports today at 8:30. We'll see what that brings. And tomorrow, the PCE, which is the price index, orange and red. We've got some yellow reports as well. Nothing again until the 29th, which is unemployment claims next week. All right, with that, let's go ahead and jump in and get started on the futures. The S&P is down 4.5. The Dow is down 53. NASDAQ's down just about 13. RUT 1.5. Bitcoin is still just shy of 17K. Ethereum is just over 1,200. Gold's flat, not a penny movement on it at all today. I saw somebody calling for $4,000 gold next year, which is insane. It's definitely a gold-owned company. And crude is up another $1.50, guys, almost $80 a barrel right now. Not looking good. China's need for oil, if they do truly lift all these COVID restrictions, is going to be vast, right? It's going to be big. So we go over, and the very first two companies are China-related companies. The first one is Alibaba, right? Alibaba closed in about a bullish, neutral, bullish bias, one of those two yesterday. Right there, though, just at that bullish. They're up this morning $2. Why? China easing up on restrictions, right? It puts them at 89, we'll call it $90, right? So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 88. All right, so that's number one. JD, the exact same reason. Let's go look at the entire fib. All right, Fibonacci is fine. I like the fib, right? So same thing, they're in a bullish bias already. Ka-ching, baby, I like it. They're up $1.50 this morning. It puts them to about 59.5 right now. And if you see me looking all over, guys, that's 6 monitors, right? I could be looking here at the last two. But when I'm trading, I'm normally here. I'm focused on my center monitors, and then it's an easy shift one side or the other. I just teach off of this side. Right, so we're at 59.5 right now, so that means we're going to look at a bull put spread below 58. Micron, the much anticipated earnings came out last evening on Micron, and they're the only one of our candidates that are down today. They're down about $1.50 to 49 3/4. Let's go ahead and activate the chart here. See the full Fibonacci. All right, they already were in a bearish bias, so I like that for sure. Right? They are at 49 3/4. So we're down below that 50.5. So we got 50.5, 53.5. That's $3. We've got a fib of 4. We do not need a fib in there. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 50.5. There are 50-cent increments, not all the way through, but there are 50-cent increments here. All right, last, not least, Netflix. Right, back in the action again. Brand new project in New Jersey. Netflix is doing amazing, right? I mean, you look at their chart. They've just done fantastic. That little hiccup in there. We talked about this last night in our inner circle. It came up as conversation. Roman brought it in, asking what my thought was for tomorrow, where we go. Guys, everybody's believing that this whole thing with Netflix back here was just that little bit of a hiccup in there following the rest of the market. I don't think that this overall run was interrupted here with that move. I think Netflix still has room to the upside, barring any crazy kind of news, of course, right? Market and or company related. But right now, they're up $1.80. It takes them to $2.99 3/4. So we're right about where we are. We really haven't gone up much. We were about 198. So now we're at just about 300. We were at 298. We're about 300. So 283 to 303, that's 22 points. We don't need a fib in there. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 283. Or a long option. What does that mean? Netflix is on our power option plays list. This is one that I would go ahead and consider taking a directional trade if I like the overall setup. All right, there you have it. Folks, have a great holiday, regardless of what you're celebrating. Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, it doesn't have a wonderful holiday, an amazing holiday. I will see all of you back here. Don't forget, back here on January 3rd, go ahead and sign up for the free alert that we are going to have the video done, and you'll know to come and look for it. You won't have to think about it. All right, take care, everybody. I will see you after the holidays. Bye for now.